Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will explore our localization feature and see how to offer scheduling in a different language based on your requirements. This functionality involves two key components, system translation and user translation. Let's take a closer look at how each of these work. So, let's head over to the booking calendar lobby and we'll select a existing booking calendar. Now, in the booking settings tab, at the bottom, we have the language selection option. Now, from the list of available languages, let's say for the demo, we select Dutch. And as soon as I hit save here, all system components are now translated to Dutch. So as soon as your client loads your booking calendar, they will be presented with all the system components that say the date and time, a selection page, and where any component which are instructions for the booking selection will be in Dutch now. Now, when it comes to the user translation part, all components or anything that needs to be customized will have to be manually translated. So let's say here the meeting subject, which is a customizable option, we can go ahead and translate it here. So that is done. Next up is the booking form. Now the booking form is always customized. So you can go ahead and change the name here. Let's say this is the name, email address, those are the default fields, right? So I have gone ahead and changed those manually. Similarly for email address, and I have done the same for all other names. And for a custom field, you can just go ahead and enter the question in the relevant language. Next up is the notifications. In the notifications tab, it is a mixture of both custom and system components. So here, all the elements that will be in the captured by the object properties will be in the language entered by the client, and that will be automatically translated. Now, and everything apart from that, like what, when, where, all of those components which are manual or like customizable content will need to be customized. So let's say here I have just replaced all of that with touch and save. Similarly, I will go ahead and change the subject line as well and save. So that goes ahead and changes the language on my notification template. So here it is. You can just take a preview of it and confirm. Now, with that done, next up is the page designer. Now, the page designer is involves a lot of customization. So you can go ahead and enter the name in the heading, and then let's say it's a financial advisor. We can go ahead and change this, and let's go ahead and take the information in Dutch and replace it. And similarly for the welcome message, which can be customized and save. Now, once done, we are almost done. We have translated all the aspects of the booking calendar. With that done, let's take a look at the page. So here it is. This is how the booking calendar will look to your clients. All of the components are in Dutch. They go ahead, fill up the date and time, and fill up the booking form, and the booking is completed. Now, let's head back to the OnceHub account. Here, let's say we have multiple booking calendars, and we also want to go ahead and create everything in a Dutch itself. So here, I have created a Dutch local custom template. So here, all the changes that I applied on the booking calendar earlier, I have applied them to this particular booking calendar template. With the booking form, all the questions are in Dutch, the notifications have been translated to Dutch, so is the page designer. So yeah, with all the components changed, I can just head back to the booking calendar lobby, and whenever I create a new calendar, I can just select the Dutch template, and the new booking calendar will be in Dutch. Similarly, in case I want to go ahead and apply this language settings to our existing booking calendar, I can just apply template, and the localization has been changed to Dutch for this particular booking calendar. So this is how you can use our localization settings or the feature localization feature for offering scheduling in your language as per your requirement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.